The world has begun saying goodbye to 2025, with South Pacific nations first to welcome 2026. In Sydney, Australia rang in the new year with both joy and defiance as fireworks lit up the iconic Harbour Bridge, just weeks after the country's worst mass shooting in nearly 3 decades. Across Asia, cities marked the moment with vibrant celebrations, fireworks, and dazzling drone displays. In Africa, Mauritius, the Seychelles, and Reunion are the first to usher in 2026. West African nations are among the last on the continent to step into the new year.